Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto coming at you with another video here. Today we're going to actually get into a little bit of education and we're going to be talking about downloading the MetaMask wallet. So what do you want to do? You actually want to do a search. I did MetaMask and you should get the website metamask.io. Make sure you actually get to the proper website. You don't want to download anything that could be nefarious. And then you choose your browser. I work on my PC. You can also do things on your phone as well. For me, I'm going to use the Edge browser. There are a few others as well on the phone that I will get into. There's a Dive Wallet app that is for the phone. You can use Android or Apple that I do like, and I want to get into that one. But this is a MetaMask is the basic wallet. It's been around for a long time, and you can get access to a lot of things, and it's well known, and you can get access fairly easily. So click on the Get button. It'll download an extension for you into your browser, and you'll see it pop up here when it downloads. And we'll go through the whole process here today of actually making a new wallet. I'm going to be showing you my password and seed phrases online. You don't want to do this. Um, because people can get access to your your funds that you put in here and your cryptos. So put in your password. I didn't put in I put in a weak one, but you create the wallet, and here we're going to secure your wallet. And then this seed phrase, now you never actually want to show this to anybody. Um, there will be a lot of scammers out there and people will ask you for your seed phrases. This gives them access to your wallet. So if they set up a wallet and they can create it, they put in this seed phrase and then they can actually access your your wallet from the blockchain. This gives them access to anything that would be in that MetaMask wallet that you set up. So write these words down. You need to do them in order so that you can actually get this. So if you lose your wallet, your computer crashes, you need to put a wallet on a new computer, or you set up the wallet on your phone. You need to have this so you can actually create a duplicate copy. So make sure you write down these 12 words. I'm going to hit next, and then I'm going to have to back up because I need to put in word 3, 4, and 8. So I'm going to reveal that bubble, grape, and truth. So that's why you write it down. Bubble, grape, can't type. So you have that. Confirm it. So now your wallet successful is created successfully, and you will have the extension, and you also can create a pin to get in there as well. If you want to pin your MetaMask up top, you can do that as well, and you can get access to the app. So this is you now have a wallet that you have, and you can do a lot of things. You have set up here. You're on the Ethereum mainnet. If you're working in ETH, you can set up different chains as well, the Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, if you're working on those. We'll get into that in another video, but this is just basically, you now have a wallet that is here. This is your account, and you can actually add extra wallets as well, which we'll get into in another video as well. And if you get a hardware wallet, a colder hot storage, you can actually protect yourself even further by actually, plugging in a USB connector wallet, and then actually you have to put in a password before you actually can do any transactions. So this is how you can get a wallet and you can get into there. Again, we'll get into how you can add chains on here in the future. This is just a quick video on how you can add the MetaMask wallet, and then if you need to get into crypto, you can actually start doing some trading on and decentralized exchanges, or even going to the centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and getting your crypto wallet started. And it's now decentralized, and you have the keys, because if you actually do the trading on places like Wealthsimple, they actually own the crypto keys to it, and if they go under, something like FTX, you won't have your funds in your own wallet. But everything you have in your DeFi wallet is yours, and you actually own that. It's on the blockchain. That's why you need to protect it. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any questions, please put them down. Please like and subscribe. I'm always happy to bring you more content. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.